Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, we're gonna see it feeding. Oh, interception. Okay, they're all getting in position pretty good now. Seems as if that one in the back is getting favored. Maybe not so anymore. Not getting a very good view of participation. The adult peregrine falcon's blocking our view of what's going on in there. Well, there's 4. Oh, is that a foot? Do you want to see what I'm looking at? Take a look through the scope over here. Try not to bump anything. What's your wife's name?
Nancy.
Oh, she's going.
Where am I looking?
Right through the scope there. Try not to touch anything. It's already set up.
Oh yeah.
It's a Peregrine Falcon, the world's fastest animal. 1980, there was only 5 known successful breeding pair in our state.
Wow.
They're a pretty amazing bird. They can fly at 242 miles an hour, going after targets.
We have a few of them in Idaho.
Oh, you know about them? That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm more interested about how you got your is this mirror driven?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. I just bought it's called a, what is it called?
I think Nancy.
It's like a 60 power, 60 optical zoom.
Yeah, it's about 100 right here.
Yeah.
You think Nancy would want to see that?
I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Peregrine Falcons, you want to take a look?
Oh, I'd love to, too.
Try not to bump anything, it's already set up. Just block the sun with your hand. You might have to take off your glasses. I'm not sure if that's going to be a big
Their
benefit.
prescription. No, I will have to take them off.
All that whitewash.
Oh, yeah.
Peregrine Falcon, the world's fastest animal.
Yeah.
Nest site of 4 chicks.
Wow. Thanks.
Sure. See him there?
Yeah.
Feeding its young.
Bobbing up and down. Wow, cool. That's hard to find.
I've been watching them. I've known about them since 2005, yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
nice.
we were reading the signs on no drones. And I was looking at that.
Peregrine Falcons, that would be the cause right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's them.
Yeah, we have a couple of falcons at home. We're from North Carolina. We have a wooded area right next to us, and they kind of fly through.
They do, and scepters probably.
Cool.
Go through trees and yeah, they're a real graceful flight, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Real agile, real
Yeah.
precise.
And they get squirrels, too.
Yeah. We're overrun with
Hey, thanks for
squirrels.
doing that.
Sure, yeah, you're welcome. Would you like to see some wildlife?
What you got?
Peregrine Falcons.
Oh,
Are that prescription glasses or sunglasses?
sunglasses.
Came at a good time. There's a feeding
Oh,
going on.
wow.
Isn't that fantastic?
That's amazing.
The Peregrine Falcon, the world's fastest animal.
Yeah,
Oh, you're familiar with it?
yeah.
That's even more awesome.
I
Yeah.
took biology.
Some people aren't even familiar with the peregrine falcon. You might have, yeah, I shouldn't have to
let's
touch
check
anything because they just put vibration in it.
Oh yeah, look at him.
Feeding its young. 4 chicks over there. 1980, there was only 5 known breeding pair in our state.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're recovering from DDT all across the United States.
Yeah.
Hit pretty heavily centrally. All introduced from the east side of the Cascades on. Everything west of the Cascades is a natural reoccurring.
You want to see this duck?
Peregrine Falcon.
Peregrine Falcon. Well, I saw the picture there. As long as that's what you guys were looking at.
Yep, trying to bump anything.
Okay, thank you.
Feeding its young. 4 young chicks.
Oh yeah.
Good time to come and take an observation.
Wow, that's a long ways across there, though.
Yeah, it is. Did everyone get a chance?
But they're not. They're
I
not.
don't know if I can reach it.
Yeah, don't touch
There you go.
anything.
Don't touch anything. Okay, I'm gonna hang on to you.
Okay. Oh, glasses probably gotta come on.
Oh,
There you go.
good idea. Oh wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
great.
Yeah. I can see it feeding the young.
Yeah. Yep.
That's
Exactly.
awesome. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Thank
You're welcome.
you.
Uh-huh. Okay, it's gonna jump into the air. You might be able to see it fly out of that rock wall over there. It's hard to see. I'll tell you when it takes flight. It's standing at the edge of the nest. If you want to see the bird, take a look through the scope. You'll be able to see the bird face on.
Oh yeah, look at him.
Yeah, awesome looking bird, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Oh wow.
You want to take? Okay, it's in the air. It's
I just saw the movie when I lost it.
I don't even see it, and I know where it's flying from. It must not have flown very far.
Thank you so much.
Sure, you're welcome. Yeah, you came at a good time to see it feeding.
Yeah.
That's the best time. Otherwise, they're just laying there.